In this video, I will show you how to create frames in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Once you're in your main dashboard, you will see your menu list on the left side of your screen where all your tools are located. Go to the left part of your screen and open the menu list. In there, find the Frames button and click on it. A panel will appear showing different frame templates that you can use. You can choose from several options such as 16:9, A4, or other layout sizes depending on your project needs. For example, let's use the 16:9 frame. Once it appears on your board, you can adjust its size by dragging the corners to fit your layout. You can also rename the frame, duplicate it, or organize your content inside to keep your board neat and structured. And that's how to create frames in Miro.